So 30 pounds in 30 days with this Pringle hack. I lost 30 pounds in weight in 30 days. That's just a month. This is truly amazing. Now, I'm not here to judge anyone, so if you don't want to lose weight, then carry on without this hack. But if you do want to, lose some weight, follow this. It's remarkable. Now, Pringles, what have I got here? Barbecue, hot and spicy and original. You can use any flavors work for this hack. Now, what you do is, well, first of all, we're going to open them. Now, what you need to do is you need to get all the Pringles in your house. Any Pringles in your house, you need to get them all in one place. Let me just open these up for you. But yeah, bring them all to the table. Last one. This really is remarkable, this hack. Yeah, 30 pounds in 30 days. I mean, you could even do more. Now, I've still got a long way to go with my weight. I'm not all there yet, but I'm getting there. Anyway, let's do the next step. Hold tight. Okay, so what you do is you get your garbage bin or rubbish bin, and you put all of the Pringles in there, and you just throw them away. Look, you just throw them away, and then you don't eat them. So once that you've thrown them away and you don't eat them, there's this stuff here. I don't know if you've heard of it. These are called fruit. There are lots of different types of them. And instead of eating Pringles, what I've done for 30 days is no Pringle, apple. Like throw the Pringles away, melon or grapes. I replaced Pringles with this stuff called fruit. There's some other stuff called vegetables as well, which I'll get into in a moment, but that also can kind of help as well. So yeah, that's how you do it. It works wonders. I mean, I guarantee it's 100% guarantee. So what's amazing about this hack is it doesn't just work with Pringles. Like chocolate, for example, like if I get that and I just throw that away as well, and I'll replace that with some of this stuff called fruit. Works exactly the same way. Chocolate cake, Oreos, I just don't eat them. I didn't eat them for 30 days in a row, and I lost 30 pounds. And I just kept replacing it with this stuff called fruit. And this here, this is called broccoli. It looks like little trees to some of you, but this is considered to be a vegetable, and there's loads of different types of vegetables, like there are lots of different types of fruit, and you can eat this stuff as well. So it works in lots of ways. Like, for example, if you didn't eat pizza and you threw the pizza away, just didn't eat it, and then you had something like a salad, which is kind of made from some of these vegetable things, or if you just got some, so instead of ordering like chicken, like, outside fried chicken, if you cooked yourself at home and made some sort of, poached or grilled chicken, that also works as well. And not only, I mean, just another thing which is incredible about this hack is it doesn't just work in solid form. Hold tight. It also works in liquid form. This stuff is called Coca-Cola. There's a lot of other things like this. And if you stop drinking these, and this is going to blow your mind now, but you see this stuff, the fruits and some vegetables. Like if you squeeze it, I mean, you can't just do it with your hand, but if you squeeze it, some liquid comes out of it, and it's called fruit juice. And if you had that juice, like liquid, instead of this liquid, guess what happens? You lose loads of weight. So look, like I said, I'm not here to judge anyone. So, if you don't want to lose weight, don't worry about it. Just carry on doing what you're doing. I've still got a long way to go. I'm not Mr. Universe, not yet. But yeah, that's it. That's the Pringle hack. And like I say, it works across the board with so many different things. Hope that helped. And yeah, stop eating shit.